Silverhook Stop Leak for radiators is an additive that finds and permanently seals leaks within the heating system. It is formulated to inhibit the formation of rust and corrosion to help prevent further leaks. It may be used with antifreeze and is harmless to rubber hoses, gaskets, and gasket cements. It is created using a combination of surfactants, corrosion inhibitors, and sealers. Corrosion is the main culprit of radiator damage, so this will protect the heating system and help prevent clogging. Before use, ensure your car engine has cooled. Shake the bottle well and pour the contents into the radiator. Run the engine for a few minutes to allow it to circulate and seal any leaks. This will treat a system of up to 12 litres, suitable for both petrol and diesel. For more information, visit www.silverhook.co.uk or contact us directly.